This is a step-by-step guide about how to monetize your YouTube videos and get paid in 2021. If you have watched my previous tutorial about how to monetize your YouTube videos in 2021, then head straight to minute 730, where I show you how to get paid from Google Adsense for your YouTube content. Step number 1, create a YouTube channel and start making videos and posting them. If you want to know how to create a YouTube channel fast, I will leave a link down below to that video. You need to live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. I will leave a link to all the eligible countries down below. Step number 2 is to make sure that you abide by the YouTube policies when you're posting your videos. So stay clear of any content that features violence, nudity, swear words. Basically, just keep it clean and use your own judgment as well. Always ask yourself, is this the kind of content that advertisers would want to advertise on? If the answer is no, don't post the video or make it more advertiser friendly. So basically, keep it clean and professional. If you need more information about YouTube advertiser-friendly content guidelines or about copyright guidelines and AdSense guidelines, I will leave a link to those down below. Step number 3 is to keep posting consistently until you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. Public watch hours mean that your private and unlisted videos don't count. Your videos need to be public to qualify for the hours. And within the last 12 months means that it is a rolling 12 months. It's not like ever. It means always within the last 12 months have you hit 4,000 watch hours yet. And once you qualify, you need to maintain the watch hours within the last 12 months. So you can't just say, ooh, now I'm going to put my feet up. You need to keep posting and achieving that target. You can keep track of your watch hours and subscriber numbers by going to your YouTube homepage. Click on Manage Videos and scroll down. Then when you click on Monetization, this is where you can access that information. You can also ask YouTube to notify you once you are eligible to apply. So once your channel meets the threshold, on this same monetization page, Step 1, click Start on the Review Partner Program Terms card and agree to the YouTube Partner Program. Once you've signed the terms, YouTube will mark this step with a green Done sign on the Review Partner Program Terms card. So Step 2 is to create an AdSense account or connect an existing AdSense account. Make sure you only have one AdSense account, not 2 or more. YouTube is very strict about that. So click Start on the Sign Up for Google AdSense card. If you already have an AdSense account, use the one that's already approved. You can link as many of your channels as you want to a single AdSense account. If you don't have an AdSense account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you have connected your AdSense, YouTube will mark this step with a green Done sign on the Sign Up for Google AdSense card. Step number 3 is Get Reviewed. Once you sign the YouTube Partner Program terms and connect your AdSense account, your channel will automatically be put into a review queue. YouTube's automated systems and human reviewers will then review your channel's content to check if it follows all of their guidelines. You can check your application status anytime at studio.youtube.com/channel/UC/monetization. I will leave this link down below in the info box. Step number 4, YouTube will send you an email about their decision, usually within a couple of days, or sometimes it can take some weeks as well. I think it really depends on how clear-cut your channel is. If there are a lot of gray areas about copyright or language or other things, it might take longer. Whereas if it's very clear what your channel is about and it follows monetization guidelines very evidently, then it might take less time to be reviewed. Also, if you get rejected, you can reapply after 30 days. If you are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, congratulations! You can now set up ad preferences and enable monetization on your uploads. To set up monetization in bulk, go to your channel's homepage, click on Manage Videos, where you will land on Content, then check the box Video, which means that all your videos on that page are selected at once, and then under Edit, select Monetization, and make sure this is on. Also, if you want to check how much you're earning within a 28-day cycle, click on Dashboard on the left-hand side, and under Channel Analytics, you can see how much you're earning within the last 28 days. And if you want more information, scroll down and click on Go to Channel Analytics. Alright guys, so this is really how to monetize your channel and YouTube videos in 2021. If you want to see how you can actually get paid from YouTube or from Google Adsense, keep watching. So, you need a Google Adsense account in order to receive money from YouTube. Like I mentioned above, there is a link to set up an AdSense account when you have reached the monetization criteria. Alternatively, you can also go to AdSense directly and sign up with AdSense there. Alright, so this is my Google AdSense account. On the right side, underneath balance, is where my next payment is shown, as you can see here. This is in British pounds, by the way. So today is the 12th, and this is usually the date when YouTube notifies me how much money I will be earning at the end of this month. So I get notified on the 12th of every month how much money I will be earning at the end of the month. And then around the 24th of every month is when I receive that money into my bank account. And by the way, the balance that is shown here are not just my YouTube earnings. It also includes money I make from placing adverts on my website. However, the bulk of money I earn is mostly from my YouTube channel. So here are the steps that you need to take to be able to receive money into your bank account or other forms of payment. Step number 1 is that you need to provide tax information. This is not required in all locations. I know that if you're applying from the United States, you will need to complete a tax form. However, I'm from the UK and I didn't need to complete this step. If you do need to fill out your tax information, you can do that by clicking on Payments on the left-hand side here in your Google AdSense account. Then scroll down. Here where it says Settings, click on Manage Settings. And then next to United States Tax Info, click Edit. You can see I don't have that on my page here, and that is because I applied from the UK. Once you have completed your details, then click on Update Tax Information and you're done. If you want to find out more about how to provide your tax information in Google AdSense, what I'll do is I'll link this page, which is the supportgoogle.com website, in the info box below. So step number 2 is that you need to confirm your name and address. And you can do that at the same place where you fill out your tax information. So again, you go to Payments on the left-hand side here, you scroll down, and the link that says Manage Settings, you click on it, And this is where you can make modifications to your personal information. So for example, you can change your address here, you can change your name. So before you can get paid, you need to make sure that all of these details are correct. If you want to make modifications to any details here, you click on the pencil icon and then you can change what it says. Step number 3 is that Google AdSense might ask you to verify your identity. This is not required in all locations, so it depends where you are applying from. If you have to do that, then you will see a notification in your Google AdSense account. Step number 4 is that YouTube needs to verify your home address to make sure that they're paying the right person. So Google AdSense will mail a personal identification number, PIN basically, to your address when your earnings reach the verification threshold. Now what does that mean? When you see that your revenue is above $10, they will send you a PIN to your home address. You will then be required to enter the PIN in your Google AdSense account. Another step is to select a form of payment. So once you have passed the verification threshold of $10, you are allowed to select a form of payment. So I'm going to click on Set up a form of payment. And by the way, I'm going to link this page in the description box if you want to know more about any of this stuff. So depending on your payment address, the following options may be available to you. So you may be able to receive checks depending on where you live. There is Western Union Quick Cash, bank transfers, and also EFT as well. If you want to set up your form of payment, again, you need to log into your Google AdSense account. Then you need to click on Payments on the left-hand side. Then click on Manage Payment Methods. Then you need to click on Add Payment Method. In the Add a Payment Method section, enter your bank account information, for example. In my case, that will apply because I'm applying from the UK and that's the only payment method that is available to me. If you want this to be your primary form of payment, select the Set as Primary Payment Method checkbox. Then click on Save. Step number 6, the final step, is to meet the payment threshold. So if your current balance reaches the payment threshold by the end of the month, you will get paid. For example, let's say the payment threshold for your account is $100. If your current balance reached $100 during January and you've completed all the steps above, then Google AdSense will issue your payment at the end of February. If your current balance hasn't yet reached the payment threshold, your finalized earnings will roll over to the next month and your balance will occur until the threshold is met. Let's have a look at some payment thresholds just to give you a better idea. So if I click on payment threshold, so if you're applying from the US, your payment threshold is $100. For Australian dollars, it's $100 as well. If you're applying from the UK, it's £60, and so on and so forth. Again, I will link this page in the description box just in case you're curious. And once you get paid, then you will see that money in your Google AdSense account. And of course, more importantly, you will see it in your bank account. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, make sure to like the video and share it with anyone you think will benefit from it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.